Giving directions, part 3. Number 1, it is next to the shop. Next to, guys, means two buildings next to each other like this. Okay, the shop. Where is the shop? Here it is. What's next to it? The library. So the answer is the library. Number 2, it is opposite the restaurant. What does opposite mean? Well, here's the road, and here's a building, and here's another building. So this is opposite this. Clear, guys? Here we have the restaurant, so here it is. It's opposite the cinema. So the answer is the cinema. Number 3, it is between the zoo and the library. Between. What does it mean? Look here. You have 3 buildings. 1, 2, 3. This one is between this and this. What's between the zoo and the library? Here is the zoo, and here is the library. So what's between them? Good job, the university. So the answer is the university. Number 4, it is opposite. Remember this word, guys? We took it in question 2. So opposite the bank. Which one is opposite the bank? The school or the police station? What do you think, guys? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Okay, let me see.
Where is the train station? A or B or C or D or E or F or G? Listen to the conversation, then find the train station on the map.
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest train station?
Ah yes, the train station. Well, you're going to want to head down this street here for a ways, until you come to the big building with the clock tower.
Okay, got it.
From there, you'll want to take a left, and then a right at the next intersection. You'll see a park on your left, but don't go in there. Just go straight.
Okay, left, then right, got it.
After that, you'll come to a small bridge. Take the first left after that bridge, and continue straight until you see the train station right in front of you.
Okay, so just take the first left after the bridge.
Yes, that's right. It's a short walk from here, and you'll see signs pointing you in the right direction along the way.
Great, thanks for your help.
No problem at all. Have a safe trip.
What do you think, guys? If you know the answer, write it in the comments. Okay, let me see.